Welcome back, everyone. Hey, Matt, how are you doing?
Hey, Manish. Good morning. How are you, sir?
Good. So we are talking about agentic AI today, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's a really important topic. It's novel, it's new. A lot of our listeners haven't even heard of agentic AI. So I thought we would do just a short conversation and maybe talk about, you and I, when we talk internally, we talk about sort of the three different evolutions of AI. And everybody, of course, is familiar with Gen AI at this point. They've all played around with ChatGPT, maybe Gemini, that kind of thing. But yeah, why don't we go back into a time machine and talk about what was there before Gen AI, and talk about the differentiation between that classic AI versus Gen AI versus what's all the rage. And if you haven't heard about it, you're going to soon. Agentic AI.
Yeah. Classic AI was a bots where essentially you were storing question and answers, and you're hoping that the things that people are asking are in your question and answer pair. It was not great, but it was better than what options people had at that point of time. But it was a lot of work, and user experience was moderate at best. Then the second, obviously, we hit ChatGPT in January of 2023, and life changed for a lot of people. It was beautiful. It was giving a lot of answers, and you can, in an enterprise version, you can upload a document, you can get an answer. So it was really taking care of your knowledge aspect. So the question is, why is agentic AI different from generative AI? Is it a new variation? What's going on here? So agentic AI, really what happens is when the your Gen AI product gets more agency, and it gets more uh, thinking capabilities and abilities to take decisions, so to say, and not only able to take decisions but also to take actions. So ability to reason, ability to take decisions, ability to take actions. What does it mean? Let me give you some examples. For example, let's say you say my laptop is not working, and previously your Gen AI bot will say, here are the 5 articles which might help you solve your problem, and that's it, right? Maybe create a ticket, but it can offer you 5 solutions. Now the game is changing. What the bot will do is, laptop not working. Why? Tell me a little bit more. Why is the laptop not working? Then you give some example. Then it says, I have some knowledge articles that I can send it your way. But I'm looking at the knowledge articles, and I think these knowledge articles are way too complex for you to do anything about it. You'll not be able to take actions. You're an average user. So instead, what I'm suggesting is, I'm actually, suggesting in this case to create a ticket. So the end result might be creating a ticket, but the intelligence through which it actually took the decision is pretty high. It actually is making judgments about what you can or cannot do, and what is the right thing to do at different points. And this concepts, when you scale it, it really makes for a huge solution, a different level of solution. This solution, by the way, can take actions. It can call API. It can get things done. It's not just creating ticket. It can say, you know what, I know what to do. I've actually run a diagnostic script on your laptop, and I understand what the problem is, and I'm going to run a solution script now to solve that problem, right? And these kind of things go beyond what was traditionally your Gen AI solution. And there is a difference between your Gen AI solution and agentic solution. Agentic solutions have agencies, they have the ability to think, quote unquote, and ability to take decisions, and they have means to take action. And therefore, they can maintain more business logic in them, and you're going to see more and more business logic migrating from your traditional, system of records into agentic solutions. And you're going to solve a lot of day-to-day problems using agentic solutions. For example, people will have agents managing their bank accounts at some point of time. They will tell the agent, listen, I want you to invest in such a way, for example, don't leave money in checking if unless until I really need to, and earn the percentage in saving, right? Can you do that for me? And the agent will say, sure, I got it. While I'm at it, do you want me to invest any extra money in some safe stocks, You can tell me what kind of stocks you're okay with, and I can do that. So things like that, agents like this are going to percolate the industry and percolate the society. And you and me are going to use a lot of agents. And Rezolve.ai is already creating a lot of enterprise agents for a lot of clients, including Fortune 50 clients, where they're optimizing their business processes and reducing waste, and taking optimal decisions.
Yeah, thanks, Manish. And that was a wonderful explanation. I think, when you and I get in front of executives that are running MSPs, CEOs, COOs, folks that are managing service desks, and we tell them within 18 months to 24 months, 40% of the ticket load we're going to be able to deflect and actually resolve the issue for the end user before it hits your help desk. And common feedback we get is that, well, that's not possible. That's pie in the sky, right? But we see how this is evolving to AI not just giving answers, but taking action and resolving issues. And then, when we talk about the future, the ability to perhaps do something inside the RMM to handle those tickets that are coming in, it's an exciting time. So I really appreciate the time on this topic. And I look forward to the next episode. Matt and Manish.
All right, see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Take care. Bye now.